Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Milwaukee, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to help you sort out three options that often get mixed together: screened porches, sunrooms, and open decks. Each one has its own strengths, costs, and uses, especially in a four-season climate like ours. Let's start with open decks. An open deck is fully outside. It is great for grilling, sitting in the sun, and keeping a strong connection to your yard. Decks can be built at many heights and can tie into patios, pergolas, or even outdoor kitchens. Materials range from wood to composite decking. Composite systems from brands like Fiberon are popular for open decks when homeowners want a low-maintenance surface that stands up well to moisture and sun over time. A screened porch is a step in from there. It still feels open to the air, but screens keep out bugs and can add shade. You might build a screened porch on top of a deck structure or as an extension off the back of the house. It usually includes a roof, screening, and some kind of railing. In Milwaukee, a screened porch can make spring and summer evenings more comfortable without fully closing you off from the outdoors. A sunroom goes even further. It is more enclosed, often with glass windows that can be opened but also closed when it is cold. Many sunrooms are insulated and may be tied into your heating system or use separate heat. That makes them usable for more months of the year, but it also means more structural and mechanical work and a higher overall investment. A sunroom can feel like an extra room that simply happens to have a lot of light and a strong view of the yard. So, which one should you choose? Think about how much of the year you want to use the space, how close you want to be to your yard, and how much you are ready to invest. An open deck is usually the most straightforward to build and easiest to pair with patios and other outdoor features. A screened porch adds shelter and bug control. A sunroom brings you the most protection and longest season, but also the most complexity. You should also consider how these options connect with the rest of your outdoor plan. Maybe you pair a sunroom or screened porch with an open deck or patio. Maybe you keep things simple with a well-built deck and a pergola. There is no one right answer. The right choice is the one that fits your home, your budget, and how you want to live day to day. If you want help comparing these options for your Milwaukee home, you can reach our team at 608-292-5514 or visit www.toughdeckbuildersmilwaukee.com to talk through what makes sense for your property. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Milwaukee. In the next episode, we will talk about outdoor kitchens and how to plan one that truly gets used.